Okay, starting a little bit of a series on crown molding and different tips on this. This one I ordered the crown molding, and this is the first thing to do if you're ordered crown molding or if you're picking it up from the store. It's a good idea to go through the deals that you've select out and make sure that you've actually got the correct ones, because it's kind of an easy mistake. And this one, not sure if when they shipped it they did it on purpose, but here's the story.
Definitely watch for and that I just found is this one piece of molding is different, and I don't know if any of my other ones are moldings are different. It's something you want to watch for. This is a different style crown molding, so you know totally different look, but you got to watch for that. Look, this one's different too. So something to watch for. So I got two different pieces so far. Watch out for that. Good thing I have a few extra, but hopefully I'm not short. One of those things. Just went through them all. I had 8 of them that are different, and then 12 of them that are the same. So ridiculous, but glad I caught it. Yeah, and have to have some words on an email. Okay, so here it is. This was the correct style that I ordered. Is D. This is the brand, and the incorrect one is this one right here, labeled H. So, if I had been picking these up from the store, an easy way to check this would be to look at those labels, make sure I'm getting all the same ones, the D style. So this is a different style. This one has this larger rounded profile, and it gives you options for which way you want to position it for what look you like. I think I wound up putting the curved profile up, but it's up to you. It seems like they've labeled it the other way with the curved profile down, but just different options and different styles. Again, just want to make sure you're getting all the same profile, unless you're doing something different. But one of those things to really check for if you're ordering them. This can really mess up a project if they sent me 8 of the wrong ones. They're going to send out the correct ones, so no big deal, but just something to check for early on in your project, because it can put a slight change of plans in your schedule.
I'll put a link in the description below the video for you of a larger pack of these, and in that way you're less inclined to get the wrong kind. They would be all the same, as they come in sometimes a pack of 40 or a pack of 50, and that way you get them all the same ones.